Hey, welcome back guys, and for another install video. Today we're going to be installing the Turbosmart dual port blow off valve. For the most part it should just be a simple install, plug and play. Let's check it out. So I just got this in the mail the other day. Still screws. More screws. Make sure nothing's gonna fall out. Of course. Okay, with a sticker. Alright guys. See what it's going to take to get this guy installed. For the most part, I'm expecting a simple plug and play. Undo the other one and add this one. Cable is retained on one of the bolts that are holding this on. Oh, first, you know what? Let's get a video of what it sounds like with the stock system. As you guys saw, nothing dramatic, none too crazy. All right, now see what it sounds like with the new one. What the hell? Yeah, let's just get it off first, and we'll see how to disconnect that. Alright, so it's an internal Torx. Yep. It's going to be an E5. So I don't know if I'm going to be reusing the same hardware. So we'll see. But if I was able to, then at least there'd be a cable stay for this. Alright, now let's see how this comes off. Okay. First down. Stock one looks like. Not much to it. Should be a simple install. I always put the stock parts back into place, or back in the box with the new stuff. I just like to keep track of all the parts. That way if I ever need to go back to stock for any reason, it's right there. Super simple. So let's see, I got a lot of cable. I figure out which way to clock this blow-off valve. Thinking when they let me just connect this so I can determine. Alright, so it'll be like that. Be nice if I could tuck it in like this. I think I'm going to do it like that. Now, we'll see what hardware I'm going to use to attach everything. Not sure if these will fit those threads. Yeah. So we'll use the ones with the machine threads. Or should I just go back to using these? Nah. Okay. So I just noticed this hose piece right here is stamped Ford Motor Company. It's made in Romania. That's just to show that even if it's a American-made car, it's still gonna get affected by tariffs. Let me get a longer one. regardless of your political views, you have to understand that it's been a bipartisan attempt to rebalance the trade agreements and the tariffs. I know Trump is doing it now. Back in the mid-90s, Pelosi tried to do it. So what am I gonna do here? Maybe I just zip tie it here. Tuck this plastic fitting down there. It's not too bad. And I don't want to over tighten. This hose is plastic. And I just don't think it needs to be that tight. All right, let's see what it sounds like. So I could hear a difference, and I was sitting inside the car. So hopefully you guys can definitely hear and tell a difference too. All right. So far we've got the oil air separator catch can installed and the blow off valve. So let's go another few thousand miles, break it all in. We'll see how everything goes, see how much oil and gas gets collected. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see me install. I'm waiting to warranty the windshield, the tint on the windshield and the driver's side door, and then I'll be installing the VOFO dash cam in here as well on the Ranger Raptor. So if you want to check out that video, please give the channel a subscribe. So make sure you catch the next video. And if you learned anything, you enjoyed this one, please give it a like, subscribe. It really helps the channel out a lot. You know, we're just a new and upcoming channel, and it'd be great if we can get a little bit of help so we can provide more helpful and instructional videos. All right, thanks guys. Have a good one.